In 2011, Ken, a university student in Sendai, awoke to a brutal earthquake and a looming tsunami that upended his city. He crawled through debris, retrieved his emergency kit, and learned how quickly plans fail when communication collapses. Ken found shelter with neighbors, shared water, and practiced calm evacuations that kept families together while rescuers arrived. From that night, he learned to create a simple family plan, assemble a practical kit, and stay hopeful yet prepared. The experience reshaped his life, teaching empathy, resilience, and the value of ready action over delayed reaction.